Hello, friends! I'm Benny Bear. Today I have a special mystery box. Let's see. Look, it's a triangle. Can you say triangle? Triangles have 3 sides. Can you count with me?
Let's see what's next. We have...
Now we have a circle. Circles are round and go all the way around. Do you see a circle near you?
Let's see what's next. We have...
Here's a square. Squares have 4 sides, all the same. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's see what's next. We have...
A star. Stars shine bright in the sky.
Let's see what's next. We have...
Let's remember what we found. A triangle, a circle, a square, a star, and a teddy bear.